that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride all night, working in the middle. I wanna
I just woke up. Today is the last day of school. We're going to the beach. Whoop whoop. Let's just do a hurry up, get ready with me, and everything else. It's summertime, finally. Contacts. Let's just go right here. Okay.
So look back here, man, things are getting heavy, you're cruising.
We're just gonna put a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Still looks the same, but just got a little something. Do I really want cherry? Yeah.
Cherry flavored. Want a taste?
Okay, I'm basically considered ready, but not all the way. I'll see you all while we're in the car.
For 33 miles, continue straight.
We're on our way to this one. We are getting pizza.
Heyy, you're holding something against the world that we live in today is sick, and it's in pain. This whole planet is like a ball of pain, and it's mostly over this kind of stuff.
leave so bad.
No, I don't.
She dropped
You just
me.
don't want to be late for class.
She dropped me off at the curb. Bye, loser. Oh my gosh, I played so much. Okay. Last day at school. Juicy flip flops. Gucci flip flops. Fucking hit your bitch in my. So we got this. We got this. We got this. I'm late. Almost late. Just a little tad. It's alright though.
1 hour later.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping. Yes, I finished.
Yes,
Go
beach
to the
time.
Yay!
Moments later.
This is the first time I look good after getting out the water. Wow. So we just chilling, eating some cookies. What?